Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here. I'm talking about steam ovens today. I'm really focusing on a great feature that steam ovens have is the reheat mode. Some people don't think about it and you're like, okay, reheat, what does it do really? But so we have the rice right here, and what it's gonna do is when we reheat it in steam, it's gonna hydrate our food, okay? Anything that's, starchy or things like that. If you would cook them in a dry heat or reheat them, it would tend to dry out and be tough and brittle. Here's the complete opposite in steam. It hydrates the food again, reheats it at a low temperature, and we get a quality product almost just as good as when we started. So when the Gag and I will open it up just like this, swing this door open, and look at the amount of moisture and steam we get in this cavity, okay? So super easy. We're gonna pop this right in here, right in the glass tray, and we're gonna close the door. It's probably gonna take about 4 to 7 minutes to rehydrate this rice in the steam, okay? All right, everyone, the rice is done, so we're just gonna open this up, get that great steam effect. Look at that. I'm just gonna pull this out. I just wanna show you guys the texture of this rice. Get this out right now. Let's put it right here. But look how beautiful it is. Look how smooth, nothing sticks. It's fluffy and fresh, just like it came out of the rice cooker. So we'll add a little vinegar to it and some seasoning. We're just gonna put some of this tagine on. Just a nice bright spice, but I mean, you could see just the flake and the ability here. Think about this for pasta and meatballs. Think about this for all your rices and starches, but like this is ideal to reheat in your steam oven. Look at that.